And we put it in a glass pot. Put what, sterilized pot. Put some water, garlic, that dill, and some other spices. And you see, it's like chrum 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 with the cracky, not that crack. Oh my god, with cracky, cracky. When you eat, it cracks. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's not for you, baby. Russian people like to eat these cucumbers with vodka. Russian people are drinking vodka and eating this. And on the next morning, when you feel dizzy after so much alcohol, Russian people drink the water from these cucumbers. Brine. They drink that cucumber brine. After that, you feel yourself better. I will eat this pelmen because, to put this salty down, to put it down, to push on it. Russia is a country where everybody like to go to a forest and to pick up mushrooms, wild mushrooms. I like mushrooms more because I'm from that north region in where mushrooms are like your second bread. Ooh. Okay, I just opened it. We have different types of mushrooms, different types. This is just pickled honey mushrooms. Or maybe honey mushrooms, it's apята on Russian language. A little yellow mushroom. Yes. It's salty and a little bit sour We also use this to eat with something. For example, with potatoes, maybe with roast potatoes and with вареная картошка. And with the boiled potatoes, both. When Russian people are drinking vodka, they like to use it like a snack for vodka. Appetizer. Our favorite dish in Russia is roasted potatoes with mushrooms, but not canned mushrooms. We take fresh mushrooms. Also, we like mushroom soup. It's not cream soup. It's like a normal soup